Have you ever heard about the innovative finance ISA, or IFISA? You can earn tax-free returns on up to £20,000 investment per year, just like other ISAs. What's the difference? You'll invest through the peer-to-peer lending market. With the Crowd2Fund IFISA, you'll be investing in the future of great British businesses. And without the usual middlemen, you could see returns between 6% and 15% before fees and bad debt, potentially earning higher returns than your high street bank. Investing in Crowd2Fund is investing in success. With direct access to established businesses, you'll choose who to invest in, and you'll see them grow. You are always in control of your investments, giving you the flexibility to build a diverse portfolio based on your own interests and risk appetite, supported by our due diligence. So what's our goal? It's simple, really. To enrich your investing experience and give you the control. For more information about getting set up or transferring your existing ISA, visit www.crowd2fund.com/IFISA. And for those wanting to invest on the go, we also have an app. Start investing in great British businesses.